In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone on WhatsApp in iPhone. So basically, if you just installed your WhatsApp and you try to send an audio to somebody and you click this microphone icon, it is going to give you this notification right here. So basically, it is asking you to enable the microphone so that you may begin to send audios on WhatsApp. So basically, in order for you to fix that, you need to go on your settings. So if you open your settings right here, you want to scroll down until you see the WhatsApp application. So basically, this is the WhatsApp application. You want to tap on it. It is going to show you this page right here. So you want to make sure that you go on microphone, which is right here, and you want to make sure that it is squished on right here. So basically, now, if you go back to your WhatsApp chats, and now you try to send an audio, it is going to give you that option, and you can now start to record some voice notes and send audios to your contacts. So basically, this is it, guys. This is how you can enable microphone on WhatsApp on an iPhone.